Here's how you can make different edits to the same coverage URL. In this example, I've added a roundup article that I've already included in another report, and I want to show a different part of the screenshot. Once the original clip has been added, click on the copy option to make a duplicate. The copy always appears on the right. You can now delete the original from the book. Now that you've made a copy, you can edit the screenshot. Here, I've used the image frame option to pick out my other client's mention, but you can also choose to add your own images manually if you prefer. The duplicated clip will now show the newly edited screenshot in your book. If you have coverage featured on the same URL that updates over time, like an events page or a best of article, you can copy the original item in your account to include updated versions. First, add the coverage page URL to your new report. Then, click on the copy option and delete the original. The copy will always appear to the right. If you just need to get a fresh screenshot, click on the option above the clip and we'll retake a new image of the updated page for you. Next, click on the Add Edit menu. You'll see the new screenshot has been added to the left. You can now choose to hide the original image to show the new version of the page in your book. If you want to show the same clip more than once in a book, simply make a copy and you can now move it to a new location in that book.